Out of the box, the WiSys Agility Suite provides you with powerful tools for monitoring and analyzing your operational performance. But every business is unique, and therefore they measure their own performance in their own unique ways. So let's take the AR dashboard and let's modify it to our own business process. So out of the box we have accounts receivable aging, the AR turn gauge, and the OE order history graph showing this year and last year. So let's shut down the AR dashboard, and to change this we're going to go to the Agility Design Studio. So when the company login shows up, we're going to log into the same company as Agility. And Agility Design Studio packages up the components within projects. This allows for ease of deployment once we're done with our projects. So in the AR views, here's the AR dashboard that we just looked at. So let's edit the AR dashboard and go to the dashboard settings. And here are the four components that we just looked at: the AR aging KPI and its pie chart, the AR turn KPI, and the OE order history graph. Let's create a new component and add it to the graph. Let's choose a gauge. And we'll create the OE order sales margin. So the first thing to define is a SQL statement. And you'll notice on the right, here are all the tables in Macola. And we'll go right to the OE header hist. You'll notice on the main tables of Macola there is the OE header hist underscore SQL, and we've also created underscore WV. The WV extension means that it's a WiSys SQL view that we deploy, and this helps normalize the data between progression and ES. So if you build a component for progression, when you decide to go to Macola ES one day, these components will go with you. For the sake of the demo, I have a SQL statement already prepared that I'll just paste right in here. And we can click on the Data tab to view what that data return will look like. So this is our average sales margin, 30.43%. So now I'll click on the gauge definition. And we have different styles. We'll do the style circular, we'll pick style 5, and minimum value 0, maximum value 100, and we'll set the alert range value to 20. And we'll make that green. So that indicates that when I get to 20%, I'm going to be in the green and looking good. So we'll save our gauge, and we'll go back into the AR dashboard, and now we can go to the dashboard definition, and let's add our new component. There's our OE average sales margin. We'll go ahead and hit OK to save. So now we've added this new OE average sales margin to the dashboard. So we go back into Agility and launch the dashboard, but now we have to tell where we want the average sales margin to exist on the dashboard. So we customize layout by right-clicking, and we'll drag the new component onto the dashboard. And there you have it. You get a new average sales margin added to our dashboard. So this is looking more like an executive dashboard, so we may decide to right-click on the AR dashboard and add to favorites. This is a dashboard that we want to look at every morning when we come in. So this is going to be clicked on a lot, so we just add it to our favorites. So it's a very simple example of how you can take any of our components, add some new simpler components, and put them together and make nice new business processes.